Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the kneading mode for bread or any other kind of dough on your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. As you can see, you can go to the modes, these are the modes, and then you can find knead. Then there are three different modes: the solid dough, soft dough, or liquid dough. For each of these modes, you can just select it. It'll adjust the settings a little bit. The recommended minimum duration is at least 2 minutes. You could adjust it further to make it more or a bit less if you wanted to. Then, of course, select the kind of dough that you would like to make. For the solid dough, you can see that it says that the maximum flour quantity is 1,000 grams, and you should also ensure that the total dough quantity does not exceed 1,750 grams. It's best to add all the dry ingredients first, followed by the liquid ingredients, just as you would typically add to a dough that you would knead by hand. Then for the soft dough, it says that the dough quantity shouldn't exceed the max mark, and the maximum flour weight is 1,000 grams. Then liquid dough, the same as soft dough, can be up to the max mark, but the weight of the flour should be a maximum of 1,000. You shouldn't use the mixing attachment, of course, because it will work at speeds that well, the attachment won't support. Now, let me try to show you, for example, the solid dough. You can just start the kneading, and then it will start spinning at the speed of 4. Then after some time, as you can hear, it is resting right now. So it is not spinning for a moment. It is there to simulate hand kneading by alternating blade directions and incorporating pause rests to build gluten elasticity. As you can see, now it is spinning left at speed 4, and it was spinning right a moment ago. Now it will continue spinning now. Then it starts resting again. And depending on how much time you set, of course, it will kind of automatically adjust the brakes and stuff like that. You can see now it's spinning at spinning right at speed 4. Let's just wait until the end to see like how it goes. Now it's resting again. And it is finished. So there it is. I hope that this video was helpful. By the way, it says that you should wait 30 minutes before the next kneading cycle so that the appliance can cool down. After removing the dough, you can prove it by either just leaving it somewhere warm, in some warm environment, or you could prove it with the fermentation mode by lining your steaming attachment with parchment paper, adding water to the mixing bowl, enabling the fermentation mode for at least an hour, and the temperature can be set to the maximums of 65 degrees Celsius. So let's set an hour, or you could do 2, depending on how long you want to prove the dough for. And after lining the steamer attachment with parchment paper, you could put the dough on top of it, later cover it with the cover, and that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.